Welcome to our video on the truth about detox pills for weight loss. With so many weight loss supplements on the market, it can be difficult to know which ones actually work and which are just a waste of your time and money. In this video, we'll take a closer look at detox pills, including how they work, what they claim to do, and whether they're right for you. Detox pills are marketed as a way to cleanse your body of toxins and help you lose weight. They typically contain a blend of herbs, vitamins, and minerals that are meant to support your body's natural detoxification processes. Proponents of detox pills claim that they can help you lose weight quickly and easily, reduce bloating, and even improve your complexion. But are these claims backed up by science? While there is some evidence to suggest that certain ingredients in detox pills may have a mild diuretic effect, meaning they can help you shed water weight, there is little evidence to support the idea that detox pills are an effective way to lose fat. In fact, many detox pills contain ingredients that have not been extensively studied for their safety or efficacy, and may even be harmful to your health. Furthermore, your body already has its own detoxification system in place, which is composed of your liver, kidneys, and lymphatic system. These organs work together to filter out toxins and waste products from your body, so there's no need to rely on detox pills to do the job for you. That being said, there are some potential benefits to using detox pills for weight loss. For example, many detox pills contain ingredients that can help support your liver and digestive health, such as milk thistle and dandelion root. By supporting these systems, you may be able to improve your overall health and well-being, which can indirectly support your weight loss goals. However, it's important to remember that there is no magic pill when it comes to weight loss. In order to lose weight and keep it off, you need to make sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle, such as eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. While detox pills may be a useful tool in your weight loss journey, they should not be relied upon as a standalone solution. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on health, wellness, and weight loss. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.